It is going northeast or southwest. It's going from the northeast to the southwest. No, it's going way south of us. It was like right along the highway. You know where that trash dump thing was? That's where it started. It is really cool. I'm videotaping it. Sean's out taking pictures. Claire's trying to get the camera. It is phenomenal, Mom. The top of it is real skinny, and it goes way down to one side, and then it goes down to this big, huge, like quarter-mile, big section at the bottom. Oh, it's really neat. I'm sure the people whose houses are in the way are not saying that. But it is, I have never seen. Cool. Sean wanted to know if I was recording. Oh, it is the most phenomenal thing I've ever seen. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger at the bottom. You should see it. The dirt is just churning and churning and churning. It's really something. I don't even know how to describe it. It's unbelievable. Two little ones to the right of it. Oh, I think those are just dust devils.
Yeah.
You think so? I don't know. Sean thinks it's a dust devil, but it is coming right down from a cloud. It doesn't look like a dust devil to me. If it is the biggest dang dust devil I have ever seen. Oh, it's starting to dissipate. Oh, this one goes clear up into the clouds, and it's dissipating. I don't even know who to call to report it. He's out there taking pictures of it, and I'm videotaping it. I'm like, do you think we should get the cats in the carrier? Sean's going, I don't think it's going to come that far close to us. It's really cool. It's dissipating now. Oh, Mom, Bob and Flo are calling. Okay, bye-bye. Hello? Oh, we're videotaping it. Sean's out there with the camera, and I'm videotaping it. Yeah, it's funny because Benji came over. She's going to be taking care of our kitties this week while we're out of town. And I'm standing there, and I'm like, Sean, get your camera now. And he's like, why? I'm like, there's a tornado. And he's like, where? I'm like, get out of here. So I ran and got the camera. Yeah, you know, it was dissipating, but it's kind of reforming. It's to the south of us it's going to be about a mile south of us. You what? Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, it looked like we were watching it hit the top of the hill at the trash dump. I know, it dissipated and now it's back going again. Yeah. God, look at that. Well, I just hope it keeps going that direction because, oh God, it's going to hit Front Range Airport if it keeps going that way. It won't come back this direction, will it? This is the second tornado we've seen this year. I see it. Yeah, I've been watching that one. There's there's another one further to the south. Do you see it? That one looks more like a dust devil, actually. I know, I'm videotaping it, Sean. Sean's out there freaking out. Can you see it now? It's really low. I don't think that one, I think that's a dust devil because it's not really going to the clouds. Okay. All right. Bye.